Welcome to Plot 10, Copse Meadow. This is part of a brand new development on Scotland Lane in Surrey. A thoughtfully built 4-bedroom home, this property combines clean, modern design with comfort and warmth. Step inside, and you're immediately welcomed by a light-filled, triple-aspect living room, the perfect place to unwind and relax, with patio doors opening out to your private garden area. At the heart of the home is a beautifully appointed open-plan kitchen, dining and family space. Whether you're hosting or enjoying a quiet morning coffee, the generous layout, central island, and high-spec appliances make everyday living easy. Just off the kitchen, a separate utility room adds convenience and access to the rear garden. For those working from home or simply needing a quiet retreat, the dedicated ground floor study or recreation room is a welcome addition. A stylish ground floor cloakroom completes the downstairs layout. Upstairs, the principal bedroom is a true sanctuary with its own ensuite, fitted wardrobes, and a private dressing room. Bedroom 2 also features with its own ensuite and built-in storage. A further double bedroom and bonus room share a spacious family bathroom with a built-in shower. The versatile bonus room offers space for a 5th bedroom, a playroom, or an extra snug, whatever suits your lifestyle. Outside, the generous flat south-facing garden offers the perfect spot for sunny afternoons or al fresco dining. With an energy-efficient air source, heat pump, and a 10-year new build warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind from day one. Start your next chapter at Copse Meadow. Contact Peter Leet and Partners today to arrange your private viewing.